Affirmations don't work, but this is how you reprogram your subconscious mind. Welcome back to another video. I'm Max Hindle I. I help entrepreneurs reprogram their mind, rewire their lives for happiness, success, abundance, fulfillment, and confidence. You name it, I do it. And I'm going to show you that affirmations alone won't change your life. Now, I am positive. I am probably one of the most optimistic people. I truly believe one day is going to be a great day of my life. I always dream about it every day, and that's why I know I'm going to get there one day. But affirmations alone don't work. I have books. I've just got books. No, I've got books, like this is, oh, there we go. I've got pages upon pages of just, okay, this one I started about there, and that's all of that affirmations. All of that affirmation. I used to write 11 affirmations in the morning, 11 affirmations in the evening, 11, that was the reason I did it. But that did not change my life. Standing in your garden, this is the greatest example of Tony Robbins chanting, there's no weeds, 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 will not do a thing. You still have to either pay someone to do it, maybe someone will come around and do it for free, or you have to go and do it yourself. The work still has to be done regardless. They won't just disappear into thin air. They won't. But you can manifest money to pay someone. You can manifest someone to end up doing it out of good gesture. That's possible. But you still have to act upon the affirmation that you are chanting. Now, how do you act upon the affirmation you are chanting? First, know your affirmation. Associate that affirmation to a feeling that will give you, I am happy. It's not a very powerful affirmation. I am happy is a powerful affirmation because I am emphasizing that I am happy. I am putting that feeling of happiness rather than I am happy, that feeling of boringness, if that's even a word. It has to feel real. In order for an affirmation, use them as incantations. It's basically just allowing the affirmation out loud and allowing it to really come to life. I call them incartations because when I first was so nervous and anxious, I used to drive my car and I would drive around, windows up, music out loud, shouting my affirmations. I am amazing, I am confident, I am blessed, I am abundant. And now I'm in that state because I truly get to that point. When all coronavirus happened, I didn't really struggle, but I stopped doing that. And I noticed when I started going back to the gym, which was a couple of days ago, I was like, I have missed just being able to sing in the mornings, being able to shout my affirmations and feel great. I truly missed that, and I didn't realise how much of an impact that did have on my day, of how powerful that made me feel at the time. And I recommend you do it. If you worry about what people think, stick the windows up, turn the music up. Eventually you'll get to that point where you're so confident that you don't care. You really could not care. So once you know the affirmation that you want to use, you say this to yourself every single day. You look yourself in the eyes in the mirror. I am amazing. I am the greatest version of myself. I am growing stronger, kinder, happier every day. When you know that affirmation, then you know the feeling that that gives you. The key is the feeling. An affirmation alone won't change your life, but the feeling behind the affirmation will change your life. That's the key, getting to that feeling state. Now, once you've done that more times over again, look yourself in the eyes in the mirror. When you first do it, when I first did it, I couldn't look myself in the eyes because I didn't believe it. Now I can look myself in the eyes and say, I am amazing, because I know I am. Not saying I'm better than anyone, not saying that I'm worse than anyone. I am just me, I'm the best version of me, and I'm growing better every single day. I will look back at myself 5 years from now probably and say, I was probably doing absolutely nothing in comparison to what I'm doing now. But that's the process. That is the process. When you first start something, when you first learn to learn the alphabet, you cannot write a novel. You can just string a sentence together. That's normal. That's perfectly fine. And the more you do this, the more habitual it becomes. If you do this every single morning at the same time, when you wake up every single morning, you're looking yourself in the eyes in the mirror and you are telling yourself how amazing you are, how enough you are, how perfect you are, how cool you are, how abundant you are, how great you feel. Eventually, you do this habitually. You will look yourself in the mirror and you'll say, I am amazing. I truly am amazing. And you come at it from a real standpoint. When it's real, it manifests itself and you are just that. When it's real, it's just you, it's who you are. Use affirmations, but make sure there's a feeling behind it that's making you actually feel something. Because when you feel this one thing, life changes. Are you happy? I am happy. And I always recommend to get stuff like this in your room, around your house. I'm the greatest version of myself. Good things always happen to me. My past has taught me powerful lessons. I am creating my perfect life. I will move forward no matter what. It matters little what others say, as I forever trust in my heart to show me the way. I am an abundant being and I deserve it all. I am worthy of love and completely respect myself. I refuse to settle. This stuff empowers you. This stuff, when you use it. Again, I could give you every single book that I own. If you don't use the book, nothing will change. Take action on these things that you're saying about. You're saying, I am happy. How would a happy person feel? What would they be doing? How would they walk? How would they talk? How would they think? What would they say? How would they articulate something? What clothes would they wear? Really go down to the deepest levels. If you can't afford some of the clothes, then take that one out. If you can't, what you can do, what is free? How they walk, how they talk, how they think, how they act, how they feel. Even as silly as the way they hold their phone. Even as silly as the side of the bed they sleep on. If you model what works, you're going to get a similar result. The more you do this, the more it will be ingrained into your subconscious mind, the more you will become a happy person, the more you will become a confident person. I was so nervous, so anxious all the time, constantly. This changed when I changed. I said, who do I want to become? Not why can I not be there? I changed my question. Rather than why am I not confident? How can I be confident? What do I need to do in order to be confident? Because no one's going to save you. I can't reach my hand in this screen, pull you out and take you where you want to go. I can help you along your way and speed up your process so easily with hypnosis. But until you have that desire to say, I will change, I will do this, I will, nothing's going to change. And sometimes that's hard to hear, but it needs to be heard. Because when I heard that, I was like, but I want someone to do it for me. I just really want to be rich. I just really want to be successful. I really want to be happy, but I want someone to do it for me. News alert, that doesn't happen. And that's life. That's why we're here. We're here to learn. We're here to love. And we're here to laugh. Live, laugh, love. Live, laugh, laugh. It's corny, it's cheesy, but it's true. So use these affirmations. Use the feeling behind them. Make it habitual. And watch your life change. With that being said, I hope you've liked today's video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like the comments. Send some comments, send some love, spread some kindness. If you've got questions, ask a question. More than happy to help. If you've got any questions for me specifically as well, send me a message on Instagram, and we can have a free subconscious mind analysis, and I can help you out and I can help you change your life. But other than that, have an amazing day. Keep spreading love, kindness, and so much positivity.